Hi, welcome to Missologist. So, I'm so sorry, it's been a while, and I apologize for that. I've been very busy. Thank you, Kat, that's helpful. Anyway, I've been really busy lately, and just, it's hard to fit everything in, but I love all my fans, and I love my subscribers, and I felt bad that I hadn't been keeping up with my cider reviews, and so I'm trying to get back on track basically, but I thank you for sticking it out while I figured out how to get everything back on track. Anyway, so that being said, today I am reviewing Portland Cider Company Strawberry Pineapple, and I think this is a new one because it came in our January, because we're on their quarterly subscription box thing, and so I believe this came in January or February, but I'm not familiar with this flavor, so I'm assuming it's new. And I actually don't know. Oh, it does say the ABV, excuse me, 6%. So that's mid-range for a cider, not too bad. But Portland Cider does give you a proper English pint, when you do their club. But you can also get these at their locations, and they actually, I think, are building a new one in Beaverton, or, it may be open actually, which means they have 3 locations now in Oregon, in Portland, which is kind of crazy. Anyway, I am a huge fan of Portland cider. And if you are in Portland or coming to Portland, I highly recommend going to their, tap room on Hawthorne Boulevard. It's just really fun. And you can get a flight, and you can try all these different, and they have ridiculous amount of ciders on their board, 50 different ciders. It's crazy. And so it's really fun to go for a girls' night out or whatever, right? I've gone there by myself even, just to hang out and drink a flight. So, anyway, without further ado, let's try this strawberry pineapple. I don't know if you guys can actually read that. Let's give it a try, see wow, it's really raining. Damn. Okay, anyway, it's just weird because it's been kind of sunny and almost nice, actually, and now it's just totally raining. All of that is gone. Portland's no, I remembered that I'm Portland, so I'm gonna rain now. Anyway, all right. Portland cider. Okay. Strawberry pineapple. So the reason I've been really busy, oh wow, that's a really gorgeous color. You guys can see it's kind of orange. It's pretty. Anyway, the reason I've been super busy is because, I have Missologist, my subscription box. I have the YouTube channel. I have 2 other YouTube channels. I have my other business ventures, and then on top of that, we're having a family reunion in Ireland in June, July, so I had to get that organized. We have a wedding, my wedding, coming up in August, so lots of planning. For those of you who plan weddings, I salute you, because it majorly sucks, but all is much better now. I found a dress. I'm, feeling much more optimistic about the entire thing, but I will say it's been quite a lot of stress, so I will kind of be happy when, August is over. Anyway, back to the cider, because I keep getting distracted. So as you can see, it's kind of an ambery, almost orange color, quite pretty. Right off the bat, the strawberry is just hitting me very, very strongly. And I will say it, it almost has a strawberry jam type of smell. Like it, yeah, it's interesting. It's we'll see how it tastes. I'm curious because it does smell like jam. It doesn't really smell like just, you know, fresh strawberry. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not, and I can't smell the pineapple. And I think strawberry is a very strong flavor in, you know, ciders and stuff, so it may actually cover up the pineapple, but we'll see. Maybe the pineapple will hold its own. Okay. That's good. It's a little drier than I thought it would be, which seems to be happening a lot lately. But it has a very nice tartness to it, and that must be from the strawberry, I would guess, because the pineapples tend to be sweeter. Yeah, the pineapple ciders. There's one I love from Two Towns Cider House. That I drink pretty much every single Wednesday night, and it's so good. But it's very sweet. This is not that sweet. It's more of a dry taste, and then it gets kind of tart, and maybe a tinge of sweetness near the end there, but nothing. It's not overly sweet. So yeah, actually I think this is impressive because, like I said, I did think this was going to be sweet, and I kind of went into this thinking, well, this is going to be a stereotypical strawberry pineapple, you know, girly cider. It's not. I think actually anybody would probably like this. It's very fresh tasting. And like I said, on a bit on the drier side, so it kind of, I think it kind of fits the bill for both types of people. People who prefer drier ciders, and people who enjoy more fruity, you know, ciders. So yeah, cheers. I will be doing a cider tasting video soon, a blind one. What else? I got tons of videos, you know, that I'm planning on doing. I just have to actually get around to doing them, guys. So, so there's that. Yeah, I'm trying to think if anything else exciting is going on, but I will say that our June box is really cool. It's a Scotch-based cocktail box. July is going to be Caipirinha, or Caipirinha, however you say that. I still don't exactly know, but I love them. So it's going to be like 3 different Caipirinhas. And August is going to be red wine based cocktails. And sorry, my cat decided now would be a good time to claw up the couch or something. Anyway. So yeah, we got so many cool things going on. Last month was really awesome. It was a Cinco de Mayo box, so we had 3 different kinds of margaritas. I had margarita glasses in there, and like all kinds of really fun stuff to go with the cocktail ingredients. And Missologist is shipping alcohol now separately, but you can get the alcohol that we recommend with each box now. So that's nice. So if you're not near a liquor store or whatever and you want alcohol, the alcohol that we recommend, don't actually want to go to a liquor store, you can now order it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Maybe I'm a bit rusty. It's been a little while, guys, so. Yeah, okay. Even with the second taste, I still like it. I will say that time it tasted a bit stronger to me. Like the fumes went down my throat more, and so it ended up being a bit stronger of a alcoholic flavor, if that makes alcohol flavor, not alcoholic. Alcohol flavor I was getting that time. But again, that's not a bad thing. It's just interesting because it kind of wasn't as tart. It was just more like boom. So, but yeah, I think I'll enjoy this tonight. with a nice dinner from Hungry Root. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you want to sponsor me, we've been getting their dinners for about 3 weeks now, and it's so nice. It's so easy, and like the recipes are so good. We had grilled chicken and polenta, cheesy polenta the other night with broccoli, and we have like turkey meatballs with roasted veggies, and just really, and it's fun. You get to try new things, and like I'm gluten-free, so they have like really awesome gluten-free stuff. Again, I'm not sponsored by them, just thought you guys might want to know about it because it's pretty cool. But if you want to sponsor me, Hungry Root, go right ahead. I will not turn you down. Same with Portland Cider. Want to sponsor me? Go ahead. I am open to sponsorships from anybody, really. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this because I think I'm just like rambling at this point. But again, cheers, and get yourself some Portland Cider if you're in Portland. I also think they might ship nationally now, so just go get all the ciders, okay? Be like me and have like 500 ciders that you get in boxes a month, because that's the only way to be. Despite what my fiance says, and our fridge being full of cider, I regret nothing. Okay,